Okay, it's time to press play on your imagination. Welcome to 2018. It's time for New Year's resolutions. But we're creative maestros, so we're gonna do one with a creative twist. For example, my creative resolution for 2018 is learn how to create cinematic videos. Documentaries, short films, just to start out. You'll see why later in the year, so you can do the same thing. Have your own creative resolution. We can accomplish a creative goal with just one idea. And no, it doesn't involve changing yourself. That's the best part of you. Duh. It's actually the opposite. Simply remove all of your distractions. The distractions that don't add positivity or help you discover who you truly are. Again, the most important thing, duh. And just try it. Just try removing one distraction for a day, for a week. Depends how much you get distracted by that distraction. You'll see how creative you become when you remove just that one in that certain amount of time. Imagine how different your year will be if you remove 10 distractions. Imagine what your world would be if you remove 10 distractions this year. Exactly. Ambitious, but totally possible, especially when you're being creative and you're disregarding these distractions to focus more on yourself. Do what you love to do. Me, I'm a massive dork. I love studying people like Nikola Tesla because eventually I start thinking like him. Because eventually I start seeing the world with a Nikola Tesla imagination combined with my own. Watch where I go with this one. Soon I begin making discoveries as Tesla would make discoveries. And we all have the ability to do it. Another way that we're all similar. When we arrive at discoveries that Tesla or any other creative maestro would discover, we absorb that information in our own way. And we immediately use that information and apply it in our own life. Just like that. That's right, use the discovery and apply it to your situation. So when you come up with the idea, what are you gonna do with it? The mind is the place where yourself meets the world. Spend more time in your imagination. There are so many connections that you're going to make, especially when you limit those distractions. Try doing one the rest of the day. Let's see what you come up with. Trust your intuition. That inner voice that is trying to interact with the world. Take time to observe yourself. Discover what you do better than anyone on the planet. And have fun with it. I bet it involves your passion. Focus on the positive aspects of yourself and your world. Start creating, cooking. Start by designing your room, which is currently a mess. It's okay, creative maestros are always messy. Well, except me, I'm very well put together. What you discover in your imagination is much more interesting than you're giving yourself credit for. Go outside of your comfort zone. Wow, now I really sound like a life coach. But I'm a creative coach. But more importantly, do something that reminds you of what you love to do and why you love creating, why you love spending time in your imagination. Go create your 2018. I'm curious, what are your creative resolutions for this year? Join the discussion in the comment section below. Make sure you share this video with talented people who need a creative resolution. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. After all, it is Friday. You should be having fun. Keep creating and remember to press play on your imagination. Thanks for watching. Ciao.